let's solve this question. A Tetra Pak contains 1 liter of milk and the vessel contains 2 liters of water, right? So it's a Tetra Pak in which milk is there, and how much milk is there? 1 liter of milk, right? And second, a vessel is given which contains 2 liter of water. 2 liter of water. Initially 0.5 liters of milk is transferred from the Tetra Pak to the vessel, right? So initially 0.5 liters of milk is transferred to vessel. So after this step, the mixture or the solution in this vessel becomes milk and water. So milk in this vessel would be 0.5 liter and water would be 2 liters, right? And these are mixed together, right? Now 0.5 liters of this mixture is transferred from the vessel to the Tetra Pak. Now what are we doing? I am transferring 0.5 liters of this mixture, right? This mixture is transferred back to the Tetra Pak. Now at this point the quantity of water in the Tetra Pak is X, right? So here after this step it becomes X liters water. X liters water. While that of milk in the vessel is Y. And after this step, here milk becomes Y liters, right? Y or Y units, whatever it is, and there would be some amount of water, and there would be some amount of milk there, right? So I know it is given that X liter is the water, right? I'm assuming that it is X liter water, liters. I'm assuming the units to be in a liter. So listen carefully. We are not solving this question. Actually, we are solving this question very smartly. I know there is X liters of water in this Tetra Pak, and because 0.5 liter was removed and 0.5 liters is now added to this Tetra Pak, we can say this final volume would be 1 liter only, right? This total is 1 liter only. So we can say the amount of milk in this Tetra Pak would be 1 minus X, right? Because X liters is the water. So we can say the amount of milk would be 1 minus X liters. If amount of milk is 1 minus X liters, and we know that we have removed some milk and we have added again some mixture, and the amount we are getting from this 1 liter, the total milk was 1 liter, and this X amount is removed. X amount has gone. It has gone to the vessel. This X amount of milk has gone to the vessel, right? Because at final stage water is X liters, total quantity in this Tetra Pak is 1 liter, so we can say the quantity of milk is 1 minus X liters now. And because initially the total milk was 1 liter, so this X liter of milk has gone where? It has gone to the vessel. So the amount of milk at final stage in this vessel must be equal to X, and it is given as the Y units or Y liters. What is asked? Then the ratio and ratio of X to Y must be equal. So X upon Y must be 1:1. Correct answer would be option D, right? So without using anything, without using pen and paper, you can solve this question mentally, right? By this approach, if you think smartly, you can get this question in maybe 50 or 60 seconds, right? Next.